You see, one thing I used to do that I found to be dead, it was dead, is I used to shrink myself, make myself smaller so that I wouldn't step on any toes. Right? I would play small, and I would shrink my energy. I'd shrink my aura. I'd turn down the volume on my voice so that people around me would be comfortable and I'd be liked. And by doing so, I also noticed I was cranking down the magic in my life. I was cranking down the fulfillment. I was cranking down the joy. I was cranking down the number of deep, meaningful relationships I had in my life. I was cranking down that number as I was doing that. And what I've learned is that the weight of who I am, the gravity of my greatness, that's not my weight to have. That's not my responsibility to bear that weight. Right? My responsibility is to share, and is to shine and to express what God put in me. Right? And so my invitation to you in this video is to let people feel you. Let people feel the weight of your greatness. Let people feel you. Let them feel the power of your thoughts, your opinions, your knowledge, your wisdom. Let them feel the gravity of your power and your beauty and your authentic self. And that's up to them to do what they're going to do with that weight. Right? And if people get triggered by it, or they get upset by it, or it's too much for them, good. That means they get to grow. If I'm walking around with, if someone puts 100 pounds of greatness on my back in the form of a barbell, and I have to walk around with that on there, my legs are gonna get strong. My legs are gonna get stronger. I'm gonna grow as a person. And so the world is better off. The world grows, the world gets more when you give more of you. And whatever that person at your job, or your spouse, or your friends, however they respond to your authentic sharing from a big place, is how they respond, and it's part of their process. And their process is their process. So I encourage you, keep it real and give all that you have to give. Go big or go home.